Hi friends, welcome to Master in Chart. Today we will know Pitchfork in stock market. The Andrews Pitchfork, also known simply as the Pitchfork tool, is a popular technical analysis instrument employed in the stock market. Developed by Dr. Alan Andrews, this tool is designed to identify the potential trend reversal, support and resistance level. Its visual representation comprising three parallel lines offer traders a unique perspective on the price movement. The Andrews Pitchfork was introduced by Dr. Alan Andrews in 1960s. Dr. Andrews, a prominent educator and market technician, aimed to create a tool that could provide a systematic approach to the understanding and predicting price trend. The Pitchfork emerged as a result of extensive research on dynamics of the financial market. These are the presentation of Pitchfork, where we can find this is an medium line and these are two pivots. To draw a pitchfork, it's required three pivot point. This is P0, this is P1 or P2. This is P1, this is P2. And this medium line also having another parallel line, that is upper line, and this is lower line. And equidistance from this median line to upper and lower line, there is another parallel line. And if we extend this parallel line and the equidistance from this line to this line and this dotted line, these are the warning line. So Pitchfork consists of median line, upper line, lower line and warning line. And the construction of Andrews Pitchfork, that we have seen the median line and these are the parallel line. And different type of pitchfork, like one original pitchfork. This is the original pitchfork. This one is the original pitchfork because it connects with the P0 P1 and P2. These are the pivot area. We have to choose minimum 3 pivots based on which we can draw a pitchfork. And as we have already said that pitchfork consists of one middle line, one upper line, one lower line. And this upper and lower line work as a support and resistance. For example, this lower line work as a support, and when the price breaks this line, the different trend started. Earlier it was in the upside move. When it breaks the lower line, it becomes a downtrend. Another kind of pitchfork is shift medium pitchfork. That also added some value with shift. Here is the point. We have seen this is a middle line. This is P0 and this is the P0. This point is P0. And this length and it's 50% considered to be the point of middle line, and 50% of this line, this point is considered to be the two midpoint of middle line, and that is been like that. And this is upper line, this is lower line. And another two line we have taken, these are the in between of this upper and median line. As per Fibonacci ratio, these are all 50% ratio. This is also 50%. And this line also 50%. So how pitchfork work in the market? One of the primary application Andrews pitchfork is the trend analysis. Suppose this is an uptrend, and when it breaks the lower median line, it trend changes. Early sharper one, this one is an uptrend move. When it breaks the lower line, it become a reversal trend. And simultaneously, upper line works as a resistance area. These are the angular resistance and support area. The next page, the strategies how pitchfork are using in the trading. Traders often execute buy or sell order when the price approaches the support or resistance line in the pitchfork. There are different kind of trading setup is possible with pitchfork. Let's say that kind of market, bit of choppy market, and as we have seen here that we have taken some pivots over here. This is I think this one, P0, this is P1, this is P2. Now market move in that direction, so almost maintaining the upper and lower line of the pitchfork, but here it breaks above the upper line and there is an upside move. So this can be a entry for breakout trade. This strategy used to use in the range bound market, and when it breaks above or below, trader can initiate their position. as we have already discussed about the breakout and breakdown trading system with Pitchfork, and suppose a market is moving like that, if we take one Pitchfork, this is the Pitchfork area, this is the lower line. So this is also an Hagopian line. The two terminal P0, P1, P2. So connecting line between P0 and P1, P2, and this line called Hagopian line. So these also be a good entry point. This is also a entry point, but this got a second confirmation. This is second confirmation. Trading view page, you can take any kind of platform. Since it is open with my PC, so I will show you. We can take different kind of time frame. See, Pitchfork always work from bigger time frame to smaller time frame, and suppose we plot in bigger time frame also. Let's check a original Pitchfork. If we apply, look at this, the trend, it's a shift Pitchfork, and that also work in a very excellent way. And we can also select the original, this one just sliding in the lower parallel line, and these are the warning line, dotted lines. We can come to some other time frame like 1 hour chart. Let's see some significance point. If we connect this point, this also give a position where this market, as compared to these 3 points here, pivots at this one, P0, P1, P2, this is time frame in the 1 hour chart. And for intraday use, we can also go to intraday pattern. Suppose 15 minutes we take. But we have to find out the significant point, high and low, to select as a pivot. Here we can we can consider these 3 points. This one, this one, pivot, P0, this is P1, and this one is P2. So we put one pitchfork, and if we want to go to the micro also, suppose this level, here we also use pitchfork. Suppose we want to follow this trend, so we can go to the 5 minutes chart. We can observe the trend. Since that level is not breach this lower line, this is our lower line and this is our upper line, so we can wait and we consider that this line may work as a support area. So after touching this area or this area, it may once again move back, like these are after touching over here, either move, it can move like that, or it can move like that also. So there are all probabilities. So finding the pivots level in pitchfork is a very important part that we cannot forget. We can go to other instance also. We can see more chart. Suppose we have taken for this area, this is one pivot point, this is another point. If we connect this, this is the upper line and it started moving upside, and this is the warning line. Look at this, how it works. In this warning line, price stop going upside move, this there is a rejection, and this is also work as a support area, these work as a resistance area. When it breaks this level, it passes through, and this also it breaks this level also. So all this line work as a resistance in the upside, and in the downside also these are the level works as a support area. We can take another example, like Nifty. We can take, so these are the indices, so it can work in the stock indices everywhere, cryptocurrencies, in commodities level, everywhere. If you find, you can use it. Now look, these are the resistance area, how it works. Resistance, it's a resistance, then become it's a support. It's a resistance, and when price cross this level, it becomes a support. So when it break out from this area, so we will draw another pitchfork. So we will draw another pitchfork. How we will draw? Now we can consider what are the points. We have to find out the pivots range. This one is P0. Perhaps this one P1. This one may be P2 for initial level. We can draw a pitchfork. Just like that. Now look at this picture. The price from this level try to reach this middle line and then come to lower line as a support area. Support breaks, it comes to the first warning line, this one warning line, this one warning line, this is warning line 1, this is warning line 2. This works as a support area. My handwriting is very good. So these are the support area. So finally it took support over here and once again bounce back. But bounce back, it will not reach to that level, median line. It will not reach to the median line. So once again it took the support over here. So based on that analysis, we can think this line is working as a strong support area. This line. Perhaps it will not break. If it will break, we can initiate another pitchfork to see that how much it can have the probability to go in the downside. These are the very basic analysis of pitchfork. Even we can think also this pivot range. These are significant pivot range, this point, this point, this point. So we can take another position like this. Look at this, how beautifully it works. Here the price comes, go back, comes down, and excellent move. Then some choppy area, come and took support over here, and when it breaks, it goes, and within this level it works as a resistance, and this work as a support. Every tool is working, but thing is that how we initiate those tools in the field of application. Hope we have covered a very basic part of the Pitchfork. In next time also we will come and see how Pitchfork is working in different market in different conditions. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like, share with your family and friends.